Article 14. Aggravating circumstances. Paragraph 1. The advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Paragraph 2. That the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Paragraph 3. That the act be committed with insult or disregard of the respect due to offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is be considered committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. 4. That the act is committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. 5. That the crime is committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties, or in the place dedicated to religious worship. 6. That the crime be committed in the night time, or in an inhabited place, or by a band, whenever such circumstances may be facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have committed by a band. Seven. That the crime be committed on the occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. 8. That the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who ensure or afford impunity. 9. That the accused is recidivist. A recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. 10. That the offender has been previously punished by an offense to which the law attached an equal or greater penalty, or 2 or more crimes to which it attached a lighter penalty. 11. That the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promises. 12. That the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. 13. That the act be committed with evidence premeditation. 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. 15. That advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. 16. That the act be committed with treachery, aleviosa. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crime against a person employing means, method, or form in the execution thereof, which tend directly and specifically to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. 17. That means be employed or that means 17. That means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. 18. That the crime be committed after unlawful entry. 19. There is unlawful entry when an entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. 20. That the crime be committed with the aid of person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicle, motor watercraft, airship, or other similar means. 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.